For this step of assigning the water supply fixture unit loads to the water distribution piping, we are going to take a look at assigning the loads to the cold main immediately before the water heater tee. So that's going to be right here. Zoom in a little bit. That's going to be this section of pipe right there. From the tee of the water heater to the very next tee. We're going to determine what that load is. To do that, we are going to take the total load downstream plus the hot load upstream. The total load downstream will be determined by following the water distribution piping past the tee that feeds the water heater and following it to the plumbing fixtures that are connected downstream and looking at their total loads. As I follow that water distribution piping downstream, I locate a hose bib, I locate a flush tank water closet, the lavatory, and then of course upstairs I locate the bathroom group. So when I add 3 from the hose bib, 2 from the water closet, 1 from the lav, and 4 from the bathroom group, I get a total load downstream of 10 WSFU. The next half of this equation is to take a look at adding the hot load upstream. Any plumbing fixture that ties in, or any plumbing appliance that ties in to the cold main between the tee to the water heater and the water meter, where it ties in with the cold water, that is considered to be an upstream plumbing fixture. So we're going to work our way back to the meter, and on our way back we're going to collect the hots of any plumbing fixtures or appliances along the way, and we're going to add them up. So as I work my way back, I have 1 from the automatic clothes washer. I have another 1.5 from the lav and from the lower laundry tray. Another 1 from the laundry tray on the first floor. I also, as I work back, I also have the hot load that goes up to this bathroom group and to the additional shower, which we saw was 3. And I also have a kitchen sink that's tied in upstream, and that has a hot load of 1, as does the dishwasher. From that point back, you can see that was the last fixture that ties in that actually has a hot load. There is a hose bib, but there is no hot load to that. And when I add up all of those hot loads from the fixtures I just mentioned, we will have a hot load upstream of 8.5. When we add those together, we end up with 18.5. And that is the load on the piece of pipe immediately before the water heater tee. We have now completed this step of assigning the water supply fixture unit loads to the water distribution piping.